It's welding, cooling rebuilding. You follow the pipes, see who's cool, who's hot, and then change hose for hose, going accordingly to the fittings, and then just replace them one by one. Now, if you get into a situation where you got a cooling pipe like this, filled with rust, just put a little drill in, tap it, and then put a piece of pliers, and then just start breaking the rust loose. And there you go. And you get rust buildup coming out. Yeah, this one is already cleaned through. You guys can see the residue here, the pieces. Here's the new hoses. So here's a hose here. Here's another jumper hose here. Because most of the machine is already done. Now I'm going to pull this hose up. I'm just going to pull this hose. It goes from here all the way down there to another port, and just follow them one by one, replace them one by one. You won't get lost like that. Tip on occasion, just for these hoses to fit those fittings better, heat them up with a heat gun. Heat the tips up and then put some lube on the tube, and it'll just slide right in. It'll just slide right in. So yeah. It heats up, and then install it on the fitting back there with lube on. You'll have no issues at all. There you go.